Why so glum, chum?
I'm bored. It's been raining all day. I'm tired of watching TV. There's nothing to do.
Why don't you go to the Fountaindale Public Library's website? You always seem to be able to find something to do there.
Hey, that's not a bad idea. I think I will.
What the heck? I seen you found something to do.
Did I ever? Did you know that Fountaindale Public Library has Creativebug on their eResources page? This is big. This is huge. You don't even know.
Think I'm about to know.
Let me tell you all about it. I have access to thousands of arts and crafts videos created by expert crafters and artists, and all I had to do was go to fountaindale.org, search for Creativebug on their eResources page, click on the link, and enter my library card number. I was then able to create an account. Do you like to draw or paint? How about sew, crochet, knit, or quilt? Have you ever thought about making your own jewelry? Do you have paper lying around? There's a whole section on paper crafts. Did you know that you can paint on cookies and cakes? There's videos that show you how. And the best part is the videos never expire, so you can take your time with your projects. There's even an inspirational section where you can upload photos of your completed projects and also see what other users are up to. I could talk about Creativebug for hours, but I would encourage you to just check it out for yourself. I don't think that you will be disappointed. Now, if you don't mind, I have to get back to my painting.
I'm definitely going to have to check it out. But first, can I see what you painted?
Sure. Now, I just started, okay? What do you think?
Yowza.
What? It's interpretive art.
You're definitely no Bob Ross.
Thanks for the encouragement.
Anytime.
My name is Melissa, and I am an Outreach Services Specialist at Fountaindale Public Library, and I approve this message.